So welcome to Tech Edify. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to free up space on your Android phone. Maybe sometimes you have not done anything and you realize that your space getting full always. Now, if you realize that your storage space is getting full, now there is one unique thing on WhatsApp that I don't think maybe you know of. Now today we're going to learn how to free up space from your Android phone. Now we can do this by opening our WhatsApp application. Now when you open your WhatsApp application, go to the three dots at the top right here, and then you come to settings. Now when you come to settings, now what you have to do is that we have a place called storage and data. Now this is where you can manage all your storage on WhatsApp. So if you can see from my WhatsApp, you realize that I've used almost 14.5 gigabytes of my storage. That means anything that we send through WhatsApp, like media files, like images, like videos, all accumulate over the space that we have on our phone. Now, before we do this thing, let's quickly check our space available now. So I'll just go to my phone and then I'll come to the file manager. All right, so now when you come to your phone, that is your phone file manager, and you realize that my drive is almost 128 gig. After we are done with what you are going to do, you realize that some of the space has come. So let me go back to our WhatsApp. So I said that you can do this by coming to WhatsApp. So when you come to WhatsApp, then you tap on the three dots here, and then you come to settings. And when you come to settings, then you scroll down. Then you scroll down to storage and data. And when you come here, then you click on the manage storage. So here you realize that these are the various space and data that I've accumulated over my phone through the WhatsApp. All right, so now when you come here, you can see the various storage details, and here shows my various contact and the various media that I have shared or they have shared with me. So you can see this one accumulate to 1.2 gigabyte. It goes, this one follows 946. So it goes on and on and on. So in order for me to clear up space or to have more space on my phone, then probably I may have to delete some of these files that comes in my various chat histories. So supposing like director, this person, I want to free up space that I have on my phone. And when I tap on it, you can see various files that we have exchanged. Sometimes it can happen multiple times, or you've sent it multiple times. All these things are space that has been accumulated over your phone. Now, one thing is that you can highlight all by selecting, and then you realize that I'm going to save almost 1012, that is 1.2 gigabyte. So you can go through and then look at the data that you don't need from here, and then from there you can just hit on delete. Now, the moment I hit delete, it's going to clear out every media. So it said that item will delete from your WhatsApp media, but they may still be saved on your device. So let's click on delete. Now, if I tap on delete, you realize that it will free up all the space that I have on my phone. All right, so now you realize that I've cleared almost all space that was accumulated over this contact. Now it's left with 22.3. So you can see I've cleared the space over there. So it goes on and on. You can do this to repeat over and over various chats that you have on your phone, and then you can free up space. So these are all histories that you can see. Now you can even see larger files. So these files appears various on my device. So if I tap here, so here you can see files that are very big files. So I can select those that I don't need. So these are files that have accumulated a space over my phone. So here, the one that I've just selected is almost 1.2 gigabytes. I can go further and then select more of it, and then from here I can just delete. All right, so with this one you can clear and free empty space from your device. So follow these steps and let me know so that you can accumulate a lot of space for your device. Now feel free to share if you have any comment, or if you don't understand anything, just put it in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video to help others. See you in the next video. Bye bye.